How to find basic info settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find basic info settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here you will find notifications, and not notifications, sorry, click this one, profile information, and go down. Here you will find this one, basic info, and here you can change your gender and your birthday. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.